Hi friends, welcome back to my channel SciTech. In this I'm going to compare the audio benchmark test comparison between the POCO F3 GT versus POCO X3 Pro device. So this is the audio benchmark test which I'm trying to do after the recent software updates between these both phones, and let's see friends how much benchmark difference we can actually expect between these both devices. Dimensity 1200 chipset versus Snapdragon 860 chipset from the POCO X3 Pro device, and both phones are exactly 8GB RAM variants which I'm trying to use in this video. And let's see friends what will be the audio benchmark test results. And first, all the apps are completely clear from the background RAM management. As you can see, there is no background application running at this moment. And let me open the audio benchmark test application. Right now, as you can see friends, I'm trying to use exactly same audio benchmark version, which is 9.2.5, and you can look at the temperatures as well. 27 degrees Celsius right now at this moment, not bad, and 27 on the back side and the front side as well. So let's see friends what will be the overall temperatures. Again, after some time I'll try to check what's going on between these both phones regarding the temperatures wise. So I will be back after some time checking the temperatures, and in case if you want me to do any other comparison side by side, let me know in the comment section below. Definitely I'll be able to do those kind of comparing between these both phones. Again, I'll be back after some time. So right now, as you can see friends, the audio benchmark percentage is about 74% right now, 32.8 degrees Celsius, 32.8. So both phones are maintaining exactly similar temperatures, right? 34 and 33. Nothing much huge difference with the temperatures between these two devices at this point. And let's see friends how much difference we're going to expect regarding the scores, benchmark scores. So that's what I'm really interested after these both phones regarding the benchmark scores. So we're going to see in a minute what's happening. Right now we did reach up to 90% of the benchmarks. So temperature is about close to 32 degrees Celsius, 33 and 32, not bad. So this is after the recent update friends, Miui 12.5.7 and Miui 12.5.5 I think in the POCO X3 Pro device. So within few minutes we'll be able to see the exact results, what happening. I think this is the final stage, this might be. So after this there will be one more video stimulation, and after that, that's it. So right now we are trying to reach at the end of the benchmarks. I think this should be final. And both phones are kind of finishing at same pace, but POCO F3 GT did finish first. We got about 6,05,000 in the POCO F3 GT and 5,61,000 in the POCO X3 Pro device. So try to compare the CPU comparison, you can see. So 1,47,000 versus 1,62,000 and 2 lakhs versus 2,15,000. You can compare the CPU and the GPU, both phones side by side. You can clearly see the difference, what is happening. And temperatures wise and the battery dropping as well, how it's dropping. I mean, it's draining slightly more in the POCO F3 GT than the POCO X3 Pro device. You can clearly see the difference, what's happening. And that's it friends, thank you for watching. Straight up more updates, and this is a quick comparison between these both phones regarding the audio benchmark test. And meanwhile, signing off until next straight up more updates. Bye.